Hello friends, in the series of C programming, we are discussing control structure. Till now we discussing different types of control structure like if-else, nested if-else, while loop, do while loop, and in last previous video we discussed switch case statement, that is how switch case statement is working, what is the syntax, what is the rules of switch case statement. Now here in this video we are going to discuss one example, that is here we are going to implement one program by using switch case. Now here we are going to accept two integer and we are going to perform some arithmetical operator like plus, minus, multiplication and division by using switch case. So let's start. So now let's understand this program. Now here in this program we are going to accept two integers, and according to our option or according to our choices of arithmetical operator like plus, minus, multiplication, division, user is going to enter this arithmetical operator according to user choice, and we are going to perform some arithmetical operator. So here we required some variables. Now here I accepted variables a, b and result. Now a, b is we are going to accept two integers and we are going to store the result of these two integers. So I accepted integer variable a, b and res, that is result. Now next, character C. Now this character C is for our expression, that is this character C is going to pass in our switch case. Now in previous video we discussed what is the syntax of switch case. In that we have to pass some expression inside the switch case. So character C is using for passing the expression, that is we are passing some choices like whether it is multiplication, minus, plus or division. Passes this. So once I passes this expression C inside the switch case, now according to the user choice, so user can enter plus, minus, multiplication or division. So according to this, the switch C is going to compare the all matches, and according to the matches it going to execute that particular case. So this all expression is or the block is written inside this case, and every case we are going to use break keyword, that is after this case plus executing it will going to break, that is it will stop for working and it will come outside the switch loop. So now for example if I enter plus, the compiler will going to scan or going to match the plus operator, and it once it found case plus, then it will execute the loop or statement, that is enter two integer and I scan percent a and b, and this result of a plus b going to store inside the variable res, and it will going to print the result, that is sum is percent d res, and after that plus we're going to make it as a break, that is we have to stop this particular case. Similarly for case minus, two integers value and it will print result and after break. If the user enter multiplication, that is if it matches with the multiplication it will execute multiplication case. If it matches for the division it will execute the division case, and none of the cases are matches, then default is there. By default it will print invalid entry. If I didn't enter any similar cases or matches, then default will going to execute. So this is the all about this program, that is by using switch case we can implement this. So let's run this program. If I enter any operator, suppose if I enter plus here, now this asking for the entering two numbers. If I enter 10 and 4, I get the result sum is the 14. So similarly, if I again try for the next another operator, suppose I try for the multiplication, and if I enter 4 and 6, I'll get the result 24. So suppose, that is, if I enter plus, it will choose the case plus. If I select for the multiplication, it will select case as a multiplication. That is, according to matches, this particular case is going to the execute. And if I enter the cases which is not included in this expression or in this operator, it will goes to the default part. That is, it will goes to the last default part. The cases is not matches, that is, it will print invalid entry. So let's run this program. Suppose here, if I enter mod and this mod is not in our plus minus multiplication division cases, so it will directly print default value, that is invalid entry. So this is all about the switch case and working of the switch case. In next video we are going to discuss the for loop. Thank you.